So I found this video, Are You Making Music for Producers? So let's listen to it.
I want that. I want the listener not to focus on that stuff. And yeah, I get it. You might be a music producer, you might be an audio engineer, but I'm not making records for music producers. Like, I'll be real with you. I'm trying to make music for people that like music and feel something from the music, not sit there and analyze it and be like, oh, what is that? Is that a MS-20 or is that a Juno 6? Is that the plugin or is it the hardware? Like, I really don't give a shit. That's my job as a producer, is to make the record feel a certain way, get you up to dance, get you, to go talk to that girl, whatever it might be. I'm not trying to appease you as a producer.
So I think we don't care either, but there are some kind of producers that do, and thank God they do. So if you are into maybe pop or the mainstream EDM rock and that kind of stuff, it's good that you aren't caring about these details, just make music for the people. But there are some kind of niche genres like bass music, dubstep, rhythm, trap, neuro, drum and bass, and all that stuff that it's really about flexing the sound design and mixing stuff, and that's what really entertaining, especially for producers and audio engineers, because that's where you set a new bar for the quality of the tracks to come. So there are people like Skrillex, Noisia, Joe Ford, Culprit, and you name them. And they are all doing a great job, and they are definitely flexing their music production skills. So you should make music for yourself first, then you should keep the general audience in mind, but I mean, not caring about your peers, music producers and audio engineers. I mean, you can do that, but if you can strive for better results, I think you should do it.